Here we have a 1/4 acre of uncleared building lot, which I have been told I can garden on, provided I do something about the trees. Yeah, it's gotta be done. This is all regrowth. Obviously it was cut at some point. And there's a lot of, you know, this is not like old school forest going on in here. This is recent. There's quite a few nitrogen fixers, and I found one tamarind tree actually growing right through the middle. I didn't even recognize it. This here is what I've opened up so far, taking down some of these trees. This is a really hardwood nitrogen fixer of some sort. It takes forever to saw through, even with a good saw, and I don't have a chainsaw, I'm just using a handsaw. But see the real feathery light leaves up there. But the tree, man alive, that is some hard stuff. That's going to be really good for biochar or charcoal. This is the remnants of a house which was apparently built in the 1800s. It was lived in as recently as the early 2000s, but the roof has fallen in now. And we basically, this is going to be built on. Look at this. This is nice and dangerous. Yeah. But this lot is going to be cleared and built on at some point, but it's going to be a couple of years before that happens. So if we open it up and farm on it, no problem. And cool thing about it having been covered with trees for so long is that the soil here is just, it's clay, but it's, man, it's rich. It's got a lot of organic matter in it. It's dark, and I think it's going to make for very good crops. You could probably grow the first couple of times without actually even feeding the ground at all, just on the accumulated fertility of all the leaf drop over the last maybe decade or so. Yeah, a lot of work to do, but if I clear a bit of it and then another bit of it and then another bit of it, soon we'll have enough sunshine in here to start, and we can kind of work our way back as we feel like it, or as I need exercise. It's a 1/4 acre. You do a lot with a 1/4 acre. Eventually I'll get a 1/4 acre of my own, but for now I'm very grateful to have a little something to work on, even if it just means coming out here and hacking and chopping. Thanks for watching. Catch you all soon. And until next time, may your thumbs always be green. Alright, I'm gonna say it's done for now.